students, welcome back to my channel 90 degree, and today we'll be learning how to draw a tangent to a circle using the center of the circle, which can come in your exam for 2 marks. Before starting this, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel because there are a lot of very important videos going to be uploaded on this channel. So let's start this. Let us read the question. Draw a circle of radius 2.6 cm. Draw a tangent to the circle from any point on the circle using center of the circle. Let us see the rough figure. Rough figure carries marks. Draw a circle of radius 2.6 cm. So I have drawn a circle with center O and radius 2.6 cm. Draw a tangent to the circle from any point. So I have drawn this line L. So this line L is a tangent to the circle with center O. Now let us see the fair figure. Draw a circle with center O and radius 2.6 cm. So scale, compass 2.6 cm. I'll draw a circle. So this is a circle with center O. Now see what happens. Consider point P on the circle. So I'll consider a point P on the circle. Draw segment OP. So I'll join this OP like this. Scale pencil. Produce OP. So I'll extend this OP. See this like this. Okay, understood? Now what I'll do? P as a center and any suitable radius, draw arcs. Now what I'll do? I'll take compass. I'll take a suitable distance in that and draw arcs like this. I've taken a suitable distance, draw arcs. I'll name these arcs A and B. Now A as the center and radius more than half of AB, draw an arc. Now what I'll do? I'll take a suitable distance of more than half of AB and draw arcs. See what I do? More than half of AB, draw an arc. Now keeping the pointer at B, B as a center and same radius, draw an intersecting arc. So with the same distance, I'll keep the pointer at B and cut this arc. See this like this. Okay. Now name this arc, that is point C. Draw line CP. Now what I'll do? I'll take scale and pencil and draw a line. So this is my line L. So this line L is a tangent to the circle with center O passing through point P. Understood? And it is perpendicular to the radius. You can see that the sign of right angle over there. This tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So this is how we need to construct a tangent to a circle using center of the circle. In my next video, I will show you how to draw a tangent to a circle without using the center of the circle. Thank you for watching this video.